Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the CSC code on Samsung Galaxy A35. Okay, first we need to check what is our current CSC code. To do it, open up the settings. You gotta keep scrolling all the way down until you find About Phone. Now, scroll down again, go to Software Information, keep scrolling down, and in here we have our CSC code. As you can see, in my case it's EUX, which is the European non-branded. Okay, once we know it, we can go back. Actually, no, don't go back. Go to the upside, find the build number, and now you gotta tap 7 times in a row real quick to enable developer options. Click on OK. Now go back, scroll to the upside, go to Security and Privacy, scroll down, and for now turn off the auto blocker, because when it's turned on, it's impossible to turn on USB debugging. Now scroll all the way down to developer options. Keep scrolling down until you find the USB debugging and turn it on. Click on OK. Okay, once it's turned on, we can download the rest of necessary things. Open up your browser and visit our page HardReset.Info. Click on download. Of course, you gotta do it on the computer, not on the phone. Go to download section, and in here you need to type Samsung drivers. Click on search, select Samsung drivers and hit the download button. Then go back, type ADB, click on search, select mini ADB and fastboot with drivers, and also hit the download button right in here, and then type SAM space FRP, enter. Verify if it appears, and select SAM FRP bypass tool and click on download. Okay, then open up the downloads folder, and in here we have Samsung drivers, ADB drivers, and bypass tool. You need to extract those 3 files. I'm using WinRAR, so right click, WinRAR, and extract to. If you are using a different app, of course you can use it. Or you can click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. Then open up the folder with Samsung USB drivers, and you gotta install them. So double click, click on yes, click on next, next, and install. Okay, we can also now install the ADB drivers. Open up the folder and begin with ADB setup. Double click, press Y on your keyboard, enter, Y, enter, Y and enter, next, finish. Okay, and if it disappears, it means that it has installed. Then Android ADB fastboot. Next, I'll select repair because it's installed in my case. In your case, you'll have to click on next, 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 just like with Samsung drivers. And then wait. Then click on finish, and now ADB driver setup. I'll also select repair because it's installed, and click on close. Okay. Go back to downloads, and now before you install the FRP bypass tool, you gotta turn off your antivirus for now, because every FRP tool is recognized by the antivirus as a threat, so that is why for now we gotta turn it off. I'm using the Windows Defender, so I gotta go into virus and threat protection, then manage settings, and the real-time protection needs to be turned off for now. Same thing with the developer things and the cloud. Okay, of course, after the whole process, you can turn it on back again. Now open up the folder with the bypass tool and also install it. Double click, accept the agreement, click on next, next, and next, and install. Samsung drivers are also installed, click on finish. And if you're installing the ADB drivers and the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the first installation, so thanks to that everything will work properly, because if you don't restart, it may not work on the first try. Okay, now we can turn on the bypass tool. Here it is. And now we gotta connect our Samsung to our computer using the USB-C cable. I highly recommend to use the original Samsung USB-C cable. If you don't have it, of course you can use a different good quality USB-C cable. Okay, now in the tool our device has appeared as a Samsung mobile USB modem, and it's important that we need to see our phone right in here as modem. And now go to MTP right in here on the left side and click on change CSC. And also, before the whole process, you can create a backup of the data on your phone, because there's a small chance that the phone will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased, so it's good to have a backup in this kind of situation. And now we gotta click on allow always from this computer, and then click on allow. Now you can see that we have the list of all supported CSCs for our software version. If you don't see the CSC code that you're interested in, you can, for example, flash the stack ROM from this country that you want. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel you can find a video how to do it on this device, on A35, and then it should appear in the supported CSCs. Okay, in my case I can change the CSC for, let's go with the TOP, that is Serbian if I'm not wrong. If you are wondering what country you are selecting based on the code, you can visit this page, samfw.com, then enter device name, and I'll type anything. Was the A35 code? I really would like to check it. I'll do it through the settings. It's SM A35 6B. Okay. And in here you have all country CSC codes. For example, the TOP is the Serbia. Okay. And now go back to FRP tool app and select, and if you have selected the CSC that you want, click on change. Keep waiting. Everything will be done automatically. Okay, click on no, I do not want to. Okay, and it says that it has been changed. So we can now unplug the cable. Let's verify it in the settings also, so we'll make sure that everything has worked. Now we gotta wait until the phone turns on. Okay, now swipe to the upside to unlock the device. Slide to the upside, settings, scroll down, about phone, software information, keep scrolling down, and now, as you can see, we have our new CSC TOP. When it comes to the last sections, we have EOX 2 times, but it's impossible to change those last two sections. But we have the first 3 as TOP, and it means that this CSC code has been successfully changed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.